Old Guy DIY video has to do with the continuing hunt, for the reason that this 2004 John Deere 717A0 turn stumbles sometimes. So a hot chick that I know bought this thing about 6 weeks ago, and it was low on power and it would stumble when she first got it. And I noticed that the fuel lines were weather checked, so I replaced the fuel line from here. I put a new filter in, put a new fuel liner to the fuel pump. Previously I had not replaced the line that went from the fuel pump to the carburetor. So a couple days ago I replaced that one, and she still had a problem, and while operating, the fuel here in the filter would go down to next to nothing, and then it would come back, but the vehicle was stumbling. So I thought there may be a fuel pump issue. Today Amazon delivered a fuel pump. I installed that, and I took it and cut for about 30 minutes, and it still stumbled a couple of times, but the fuel level was always good in the filter. So I think this may have been weak. But what I'm doing right now is I'm going to remove this bowl assembly. It's a 20-year-old mower. She's only had it for about a month. So I'm hoping this thing sat with ethanol or something. I'm going to find a couple of boogers in there that are floating around. And to get there, I had to use 15mm sockets and a box end on the inside to remove this piece of steel that goes on the back. Whoever was working at John Deere the day they made this one cranked the impact gun all the way up. It was a beast to try to get that thing free using just a ratchet, since I didn't have enough clearance for the impact gun of my own. And yes, I left some DNA on site. Right now I'm going to remove the two little Phillips head screws that hold the bowl to the carburetor, and hopefully I find some boogers laying there in the carburetor. That'll be the end of this operation. If not, I'm going to go to Amazon, order a new carb, and I'll put that on in 2 days. I removed the bowl assembly, and yes, there are some globules of goo in there that move around, so I'm hoping that's my problem. I pulled this piece off first. You can see a little bit of dirt and stuff floating on that one too. But I'll clean this out. I'll clean that out, put them back together and see if that fixes it.